Hi, welcome to my channel about fischertechnik, robotics and embedded systems. The focus of this video is my Arduino set Uno Mega80K and the Mega2560. The idea is to get data from all of them to here and then read to my laptop and do some data acquisition using C to program the boards, Java to get the data from the board to the laptop and save it in a file, because if you use the Arduino environment you can read the data but not save it. So with Java I save it on the laptop, and then with Fortran I try to improve the analysis I've tried so far. So let's wire it up. Alright, so that was the initial setup of the wiring. Hopefully everything is connected correctly, except for this part. And yeah, introduction to the desktop, processing for Java, Arduino for the C, programming the whole stuff, Fortran for the data acquisition. This belongs to Arduino environment for reading the data, and obviously the camera. And I already mentioned this, now it kind of works, but I want to make it sure that it keeps working. So I took some materials from fischertechnik to make sure that this will be connected a lot better than this, because this is a shame. So let me start doing that. Alright, now that is all fixed, and there is still something that is not entirely fixed, which is right here. The Uno and the Mega80K are often without power, and that is caused by this. So I have to jiggle a little bit with this connection, and then they all get power suddenly again. So I need to improve that once, but I'll let it be for now. So what I will do is run the code and see whatever it gives, but there won't be any change right now. But let me get some fresh data. Run. Yeah, which is not possible right now. Error opening serial port, because I'm still running the serial terminal. So I have to close this. Then this is running fine. I have to run it for 11-12 seconds. So I guess this will be enough somehow. And then from that file I can just read anything that read the data, and hopefully it will be okay. And this is the start of the data. This is not making any sense. It starts with A8, which is port A8. And last time I put this line in here to figure out if this was from the next or from the former line. And this turns out to be from the former line. So 3, 3 Mega80K, but it does not take all the lines with it, and that is still to be improved. So let me also get a terminal with the actual data for from which this is derived. And here you can see why things are not, or that things are not entirely correct. A8 is A8. Then this makes no sense. This does make sense, but is nowhere here. Then this line is the first that gets taken. A8, is that from here or here? So yeah, granted that this big open space is gone, obviously, but how much actually? Well, this is saying 3, 34 gone, 73 gone, then 112 is there, 152 gone, 190 gone, 225 is there. So it skipped 2 lines. Why does it skip 2 lines? I need to find out. So when reading the source code in Fortran, it says when time is not the same as time, then skip the line. Same for pin. Then reading if board is equal to uno, then write the board. So that happens here. And also when pin and C6 is 30, then write pin C6 30 board, which happens here. So the question is, now with A8, what happens? Because here I have 2 times 28. How does that happen? Anyway, I am going to change this and see whatever I can, whatever it improves actually. Another thing I notice right now is that here I'm reading time, here I'm reading pin, but here I am not reading anything anymore. So if I want to compare, I need to read. And although I read here things, I need to read here as well. So let me change that. So now it looks like that a small change in the sequence of the code, or maybe a big change, leads to a much cleaner output. So let me take a look. This one is still missing. This one is missing. This one is there. There's no doubt about it. But then again, 22 is missing. And actually, why is this one coming back? Then this one is coming back, and this one is coming. No, this is the original output. This is the acquisition. So I need to scroll down. And then I have pin 22. Time, where is time 22? I have 80K 20 time, and this is not much better. because I have here 112 and then probably, oh, I'm skipping 3 now, and this is 265. Then I will skip 3 and 416, even 4. No, still 3 skipping. So it looks better, but actually it's not. It skips a lot of data. Okay, I'm leaving this as it is for now, because I notice in the Fritzing schematics that the wiring is not optimal. I need to bring some color change to really distinguish the lines. So let me do that for a change. Back to the code again. I notice here that I write over on every line with this and with this 2 times the word pin. And the only reason that that is possible, I think, is like this. So I need to change board or delete board and then see whatever happens, because this is not the intention. And when debugging, you keep finding stuff. For instance, I am reading time here, which is no problem, of course. I defined time being the character string of length 4, which is not this time but is this time and not this. However, then you find that when reading the original captured data, there's time and time. And once again there's time and time. Going further in time, time and time. And well, everything else is so far neat, but that is a problem. So do I need time with, I think I need it to be time, which makes it a length of 5. And that may change things. Let's see. Because here's a question mark and here are columns. Is it any change? Not really. Not that I can think of. It still skips those 2 lines. So, for now, it's enough. So, I have made a change here. So the wiring is a lot better. And made some change in the Fortran code. Some nice results, some unexplainable results as yet. Still getting up to terms with Fortran. And again, power issues that remain. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Click the bell for notifications. Leave a comment or suggestion, very much appreciated. And that's power as well. Please show support by either donating via Ko-fi or via PayPal, or become a patron for as little as €2 or $2 a month. Please visit my website for more projects. And for the rest, stay safe, take care, have a great day, bye.